Actress Nkechi Blessing don't come outside. They call on all bleaching cream sellers. I don't know who don't die this one, but she dey vex, she don't para out. He come outside say, most of the celebrities where they buy wetin they call out, all these celebrities where they buy bleaching cream from people, then they go come change the label. Come, you understand? I don't know if you understand what they talk. Let's say they do cream now. Then you go come buy my cream, come to remove my own wrapper, put your own wrapper on your name and everything. Now so they go start the seller. Say most of them say they now just for the cash out they do am. No be say they get any idea on how, you understand. They don't even study and many of them don't even know what it inside, the content, the ingredients. Now so they go just start the seller just to make money. I beg, I don't bring a call on aside because join me, make we watch Nkechi.
Selling rubbish to people, damaging their skin. Even you yourself that is selling it, your skin is nothing to write home about. You are cashing out heavy because they say na bleaching cream, na there be the highest ritual. Karma, what is karma? God go punish all of una. Una know una self, una plenty for that Instagram, most especially some so-called celebrities that are into bleaching cream now because of making money. They go about damaging people's skin. They did not go to any school. They did not go to learn it. They did not even know what it entails to mix cream. They just collect from people who are selling in wholesale. Then they repackage it into their nonsense name. Continue.
She know they lie, if you check, see this cream matter. Ha, leave her. If you check all these people now, all these people where they do mixing, most of them no go check them. Go check what they study. Either this one study business management, that one theater art, this one music, that one dancing. None of them even say, okay, they pass biology, physics, or chemistry. Lie. But today now, they be mamas in cream mixing, in cream selling, they be orgas. I know they here to judge anybody, but this cream matter don't become too much. Ha! It don't become every day new ones they come, new names. Now the names have even they funny me. You go just the year differently. They don't even add that one for the bumble. Butt enhancement, breast lifting, hip enhancement, triple action body scrub, breast firming oil. This I know Percy, I know go mention name. This guy get Chineke. The cream which they use for his face, not be the same one for his ear, not be the same one for the leg. No, different things. Una one end up they look like rainbow. Even rainbow self, I don't understand. Rainbow still they beautiful. If you they see girls now, hey, I know they talk of fair, normal fair, where you want fair. That one they learn work. If you not see white ladies, where they come from, Anambra or Ijebu, you go they wonder whether this one just land from America. Everybody want white now. Everybody want white. Now some matter reach me. This one as I read up. Say person spend 1 million naira on cream from Bimbo on Instagram. Yes, so I go mention her. 1 million naira cream. Ha! Now wow, people have made money, Sha. Yes, because if the people like us, where we still they find money, no, 1 million. Wait, no, wait till they rob. Wait till they rob. I just want to know. Una see, you know the one where even they pay me pass on top of this whole matter. After person like that spend that 1 million, come white finish. You go come start they look for people husband we go maintain that skin. Yes, now where you they work? Where you they work? You go come start they look for people husband we go give you. They give you that money where every month you go they maintain. Everybody now for Nigeria white. For this country, everybody now they white. No black girl in Nigeria. I know they talk, see, you know they think of chocolate, fair. I know be that one. I say white. Check out. If they call us outside now, everybody you now go see, you go they wonder whether some people they be Nigerians. They be Nigerians by name. They be outsiders by color. I not just understand, I don't confuse. And they go dey deceive una too go dey enter inside the deception. Most of these celebrities when they come outside, they post cream. They go just take one picture. They go even use filter. Not be the cream where they use. Oh, una too go follow. Your skin go come spoil. Everything go come nyama nyama. You not be the cream where they use. See, make una dey wise. All this, see, internet matter. No believer. Internet. Now wetin they want make you see, they go bring outside. Una wey dey buy am, now na the pity pass. Now na the pity pass. You go see person every month, he get a budget. 300,000 naira on cream every month. Sorry, for my Ghanaians, na like 3,000 cedis. Every month, oh, only cream. 3,000. 300K. We never enter food, oh. We never imagine all these expenses. I beg, I not to say me you don't look nice, oh. I not to say me you no shine. But my people, some people don't overdo them. Some people don't overdo them. In fact, now they take cream more than their own intake. You even get pills now. Pills don't come out. You go they drink and you go they white from the inside. They white. By the time I reach 50, 60, 70 years, now they on body go start the tell now. No be now me the tell now. Wait, 30 years from now, 50 years from now our body go tell now. Make us continue. Why you no fit just look for something nice where go just dey maintain your color they go? Must you go extreme? Must you go to the extreme of it? I know say sometimes stress they part of they wear out our body, our skin, everything. Stress and maybe dust. But I bet no overdo. Some people own. Some people own. If they don't even feel stand under sun again. They don't turn Michael Jackson. If they stand under sun, their skin go they pee. Now the extent of the cream where the cream don't enter sabo inside. Make una continue. Now here they. I say go bring am for una way they follow celebrity like God. When anything where celebrity talk una don't enter. They very careful. Not be the cream where they post they use. I no go talk past that one. So anything where you guys talk concerning this matter, I bet drop am inside that comment box. And as usual, I go reply on one by one. Share this video so that everybody eye go open. And make sure say you subscribe so that you no go dey miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.